Yeah, what we have here is types of formwork in civil engineering. In civil engineering construction, formwork is very essential because oftentimes you invite your carpenter to come and take your measurements for you, then implementing those measurements into a formwork whereby your reinforcement will be arranged. So you're taking a look at the type of formwork that you use in civil engineering practice. Yeah, so the formwork is a temporary structure which is used as a mold to pour in concrete. So is strategically a structure that is temporary structure in which you pour your concrete into it. It helps to mold, the structure for you, right? So it is a vertical or horizontal arrangement made to keep concrete in position until it gains the required strength and shape. So formwork helps you to just hold your concrete, until that is in shape, until it gains the required strength, right in that shape. So the first type of formwork we have is shuttering. So and shuttering is a part of formwork, or you may call it as derivative of formwork. Then shuttering is a vertical temporary arrangement which is arranged to bring concrete to a desired shape. So it helps you to bring concrete to a desired shape, and it is a vertical temporary arrangement. Then formwork which supports vertical arrangement is known as shuttering. So when you are dealing with vertical arrangement now, you call it shuttering. I know this type of vertical arrangement is usually seen in columns. From the picture we have, you can see in a technical point of view, formwork for columns, that is columns footing, then retaining wall, is called a shuttering. So shuttering is when maybe for your retaining wall, your columns, so all these vertical arrangements of your formwork is known as what? Shuttering. And the second form of formwork that we have is centering. So centering is a temporary arrangement and part of formwork which is arranged to support horizontal members. Just as we looked at it, vertical members like columns, we call it what? Shuttering. But centering is when you deal with horizontal arrangements of formwork, and horizontal arrangement of formwork takes place in slabs, right? So and in a technical point of view, the formwork for beams, slabs is called centering. So you can also see centering in beams, right? Maybe the bottom plate of a beam, it can be described as centering. Then the next formwork type is staging. The first one is shuttering, then we have centering. So the next one is staging. Staging is a temporary member which is used to support formwork. So it's either may be for centering or shuttering, but it helps to temporarily support a member. So it is done by props, then jack, then hammer frame, then cop lock system, then we have wooden ballast, etc. So your props, your normal props. So props are used to help in the center stage of a formwork, so to actually act as support. So this is what called staging. Yeah, scaffolding is the next point. Then scaffolding formwork is arranged to support the structural members, whereas scaffolding is provided as a worker's platform around the building to work at a height. So with scaffolding, it enables you to work at a height, right? Then scaffolding is a movable and fixed platform. So scaffolding is a platform that is detachable, it is movable. So once you make use of them for your formwork, either as props or for arrangement of your formwork, you can actually detach your scaffolds, right? So these are the types of formwork that we have in construction. So we have scaffolding, we have staging, then we have centering, right, and we have the shuttering.